The video I'm about to share with you I have found useful, and I feel like other people will find it useful as well. I've taken the video from a live recording titled How to Find Your True Nature, Buddhism and Mental Health live lecture. This video has been created by a marriage and family therapist, Nick, who helps his clients to deal and get through various personal issues, mainly stemming from honoring who you are and finding your true nature. Nick talks about when we as humans are not honoring who we are actually designed to be, then we live a life of suffering. So if you'd like to learn more about finding your true nature and honoring your true design of who you are originally, then he has made a video, and you can walk through this process of finding who you are and living a life that honors you. If anyone has any issues or problems sharing this video, leave a comment and I will address it and remove the video if needed. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
This is what I want to end with, but it's just a commercial called Comfortable with Dove. And has anyone seen this before? Oh, nice.
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
All right, let's do this.
Scene 0, take 1. Mark?
So we've got one question that we want to ask you today.
Okay, well, what's that question?
The question is, if you could change one thing about your body, what would it be?
Only one. I would change my forehead. I have a really big forehead.
I'd like to be taller.
The puffiness of my face.
My ears. I have big ears.
Stretch marks after having a baby.
A lot of times, like, kids would make fun of me, like, hey man, you got big ears, you got Dumbo over there, you know?
Definitely my skin, because I've dealt with acne and eczema issues ever since I was a little kid.
我小时候，因为大家比较喜欢大眼睛的那种美女，所以我就也希望自己眼睛能大一些。
Growing up, like, a lot of people call me like five head, or like, your forehead's so big. They've always like would say something to me about it.
Yo diría porque muchos todos caminan derecho y como que mi pie está un poco chueco.
When I was younger, I felt like I wasn't quite adequate enough.
Can you sit on the chair?
No.
All right, I'm going to ask you one question.
What's the question?
If you could change one thing about your body, what would you change?
You know, have a mermaid tail.
Probably like a shark mouth, so I could eat a lot of stuff.
I could have teleportation in my body. Extra pointy ears. I want legs like a cheetah so I can run faster like a cheetah. I could have wings so I could fly.
I don't think there's anything to change.
I like my body actually.
Yeah, you wouldn't change anything?
Nothing else. Just a mermaid tail.
A lot of people obsess about getting older and about the wrinkles. I love my white hair. I loved it when it started turning white. It's one of those things, because I chose to stay this way, because it just wouldn't be me if I totally changed the way I look.
Nice. Yeah. So really, that is touching on just the physical body, but whether it comes to career, it comes to any aspect of you, honor it. And when you do not honor how you're designed and built, again, you just experience more suffering. That's like me standing next to James and I'm like, yo, I want to be taller. Well, you're just not. Don't make up a story, don't make up a fantasy or a narrative. But when there is one, again, you will suffer. So really, hopefully what you can get from this ancient wisdom and using psychology is honor that inner part of you. Honor that spirit, honor that soul. And when you can get to that clarity piece, like children, innocence piece, and just honoring you, life will be so much easier. That's it for me. So thank you. But anyone, we won't break up into the two different groups due to time, but anything that comes up for you guys that you guys want to share,